Straight line backing. The dimensions of the straight line backing course are 100 feet long and 12 feet wide. Pull the truck straight through the designated boundary lines until the rear of the trailer passes through the last set of cones. On the straight line exercise, you are allowed one free pull-up, and you can get out and look once before any points count against you.
As I look to get my rear axles are coming up on the last set of cones. I've cleared the axles, now let's clear the trailer. Okay, tractor trailer outside the box.
Stop, and then back through until the front of the tractor clears the last set of cones.
Go into reverse. Now I'm going to go ahead and slowly let off the clutch. Let's put both feet flat on the floor, no clutch, no accelerator. That way I don't feel rushed through the exercise. I'm checking both mirrors. Make sure I stay in my lane. Not so worried about staying directly centered in the lane, but I just want to make sure that I have good space on either side.
A reminder, make small corrections.
Remember that this is not a race. We're not trying to time you or do anything drastic, just slow and steady. Almost done. I want to back until the tractor is completely out of the area. Here's my last cone. Feet up there in the front, we're totally cleared out. Go stop, set the brakes, sound the horn. The exercise is done.